with another video. But before I get started on all the details, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below if you are not subscribed to my channel already. And if you are subscribed, please make sure to turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. This unit is going to be brought to you by the company Myfirstwig. Of course, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below in the description area for you. You guys know if I'm bringing you a Myfirstwig unit, then it is ready to wear, okay? Because who doesn't love a ready to wear unit? I'm not going to get too much into what's in the box and everything because it's usually the same stuff. So we're just going to go ahead and jump into what's in the bag. Is their natural Yaki blunt bob. This one is in the length 10 inches. This is a 13x6 lace front wig. As you can see, this does come with your pre-cut lace. It also comes with your extra deep hairline and deep bleach knots. This is what the lace area looks like. You get 2 combs on the side. You also get a comb in the back. You get your adjustable straps, and you also get your adjustable elastic band. You guys know when it comes to the pre-cut wigs, all the companies are starting to do it, but is the Myfirstwig pre-cut wigs worth your time? Is it worth the coins, okay? Is it worth adding to cart? So if you are new to my channel and you are curious about wigs in general, curious about this company, or if you're just curious about spending your money with this company, I'm gonna definitely let y'all know what it is, okay? Y'all know I'm gonna give y'all all the tea. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this on. Those who want to know, I am a cap size 1 when it comes to this company. I do have a small head. Their units really fit me good. I don't have any issues when it comes to the fit. If you are not sure about your cap size, make sure you go on the website to see how to measure your head so you can get the perfect fit, because of course you don't want it to be too small and you also don't want it to be too big. Pre-cut your lace in the back in case you wanted to put this bob into a ponytail. That's gonna be a little tiny ponytail, but hey, you just never know. It's back there just in case you need to go ahead and do it. I'm adjusting my straps in the back and I've already tightened up my band. Just go ahead and place this on. As a right side part. However, if you are not a fan of the right side, you can move it to the left side. You are not just stuck. Okay, you got some options. If you wanted to move this over a little bit, you can see the front of my cap. I'll slide that back. I don't think you can see it on camera, but you probably can. I was gonna say maybe you can't. But I just need to shift the lace a little bit up, or I need to push my wig cap back. Of course, you can always go with a middle part because you just cannot go wrong with a middle part. As you can see, this does come pre-plucked. Okay, we love that because as a beginner, you do not want to worry about plucking out your own hairline, because who wants to do that? If it's already gonna come pre-cut, you want it to just be able to go on your head and go on about your business. Now, the only thing that I am gonna have to do is cut this on the side because this is going to overlap my ear and I want to be able to have this sit above my ear to have it look as natural as possible. As far as the length goes, the length on this is really nice. I don't have any complaints about this. This whole look is giving grown woman, isn't it? I love that. So I can't wait to see how everything is going to come together. Now you can elongate this parting back here a little bit more if you want to. With their lace, because they do have the tinted lace, it's just going to help it blend in even easier once everything is laid down. And I also think that they do a really good job with their pre-cut lace because it's not zigzag too much and it's never really too much to where you have to go in and trim a lot more off, but it's totally up to you on exactly how you want your lace cut. Now that I got into all of that, I'm gonna go ahead and install this wig. It should be super, super easy. And then of course I'll be back to show you guys the final look and also to tell you guys my final thought. This wig, and I love the side part, but you guys know when it comes to a bob, the middle part is always going to win me over. It's just something about the length, the way it flows, the way it's up out of your face. I just love a middle part. Now, very easy for me to install this. Like I stated, I just went in with a little bit of mousse. You guys see me cut off some of the lace on the side to meet up by my ear, and it still looks good. Now, of course, because I didn't spray this down with adhesive and I didn't use bobby pins, if the wind blowing hard, it's gonna flap, okay? But that's okay, because ain't no wind outside. It's not gonna flap unless somebody just all up in your business. But it keeps everything really nice and natural when you do cut it off on the side. I didn't have to add any baby hair, because baby hair for what? The front of the hairline is doing exactly what it needs to do. It's blending in well to my skin. I didn't have to put any powder into the front of the lace, but when I switched it over to the middle part, I did put some powder because it was looking a little bit dark, so I just wanted to open it up. Now, when it was on the side, I feel like it was more open, so I wanted to open it up just a little bit more when it came to the middle part. Issues when it came to straightening out this hair, I mean, it's not a lot to straighten at all. But it's already pretty much ready to wear. I just added a slight bump to it. Now, also when I moved it over to the middle part, I just feel like this side was just a little bit longer from flipping it over. So I just went in and lightly trimmed that down so it can just kind of all meet the same. But I am loving this length on me. It's the perfect everyday length. This density is really nice also because it doesn't feel heavy on my head, and it moves, it shakes, okay? And it looks good when you turn to the back. And we love that. A very small amount of shedding when it came to this unit. I'm not receiving any snags at the moment. I mean, it's super easy for me to run my fingers through. Now, of course, when it gets cold outside, you are going to experience some snags in the nape area. Also, because I have worked with their Yaki texture so much, the ends will start to eventually feel dry. So you want to make sure you go in with some type of serum, or when you shampoo this unit, make sure to go in with a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner. That way the ends can just pop back to life. I feel like the Myfirstwig pre-everything wigs are a flop. Absolutely not. First of all, Myfirstwig already was very great for beginners. Super easy to wear. They pretty much did everything for you. But now they went ahead and cut the lace. So it's really ready to wear. Most people say ready to wear and you still have to do so much. But when it comes to their units, you really don't have to. It's glueless, it's beginner friendly, have Swiss lace. And when it comes to their bob wigs, I'm always going to stand and say, I feel like they have the best texture bob wigs that look super natural, don't require a lot of work, and very great for everyday wear. To have your unit come pre-styled already, nobody wants to have to put in too much work when it comes to a wig anymore, especially because so many companies offer so much. So Myfirstwig definitely just stepped it up another notch. I know what you guys think about this. Like I said, I love the side part. It was definitely giving grown woman, but the middle part is just always going to win me over. If you are interested in this unit, I'm gonna make sure to add the links down below in the description area. Once again, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.